Hello. Now in this video we are learning about what is the concept of comments. So comments is very important concept of any programming language. It is the statement that can be added in your code just only for the reference purpose. This comment will not affected on your code or it not change your code output. We just use the comment for understanding purpose. So what are the important points which is related to the comment? The first important point, it not executed. It is basically used for the documentation purpose. We can place the comment any line or anything written after the comment is not executed. So the comment is just basically useful for to the good practice. In Java, basically there are two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment. The single line comment is represented by using the double forward slash, and the multi-line comment is represented by slash, star, the number of lines, then end with the star and slash. Now let's understand the example of comment with practically. So here I'm adding a new class in my package, giving the name of class is suppose comments, adding a main method, then finish. Okay, so I just want to describe the single line comment. So double forward slash, I'm writing here, this is single line comment. If I want to define the multi-line comment, so I'm just writing slash star, this is multi-line comment. Okay, if I want to copy this line with the number of times, okay, and again ends with the star and slash. So if you're observing, if I running this code, the output will be just like this. It not showing anything on my terminal. See why? Because all the code in the comment. Now I need to just print some message here. So I'm writing the message like this is my comment code, and if I try to run again, now it will be showing the output only this is my comment code. See, it not executing or it not showing the output like this is a single line comment, this is a multi-line comment. So this is just only for my understanding purpose, only for my references. So this is about the comment in Java. Thank you.